Prime to Lex 8.7 Educational Overview. Welcome everyone. This video is created for educational and informational purposes only. Prime to Lex 8.7 is a utility used by mobile repair technicians and learners to understand how factory reset protection FRP works on supported Samsung and Xiaomi devices. The tool includes built-in MEDIA and USB decay drivers, helping users learn about proper device connectivity and driver installation during servicing. With the latest update, Qualcomm devices no longer requires a dig. Connections can now be made using the standard Qualcomm's USB-QD Loader 9008 port, making the learning process simpler. The software is now lighter, faster, and supports newer device models. It also provides educational insight into FRP handling on Samsung devices running in Android 16. This content is shared strictly for training, awareness, and technical learning. Always use such tools only on devices you own or have proper authorization to service. Thank you for watching.